If you want a cheap but elegant screen door, this video is right for you. We made this video so that you know the price of every screen door design.
Sir, what is the cheapest screen door?
Good question. The cheapest screen door is worth $2,500.
Wow, that's amazing price. It is a brand new, sir? Or it is a second-hand door?
That question is I need to answer it quickly. It's a new one.
Do you have a sample picture?
Yeah. Here it is.
Wow, it looks great. There is a hidden pay in your price?
No, Mom. The price is a package deal.
How about your delivery?
The delivery is free, but there is an exception.
What is that, sir?
If you are about 5-kilometer radius from our shop, we put a delivery charge.
How much, sir?
Depend upon the distance to our shop. But if it is above for set screen door, it is 10% discount and free delivery.
That's amazing offer to your client, sir. By the way, where is your fabrication shop?
Our fabrication shop is located at Unit D Creekside, Green Valley, St. Nicholas 3 Bakur Cavite.
What is your payment method, sir?
Very important question. The payment method is there is no partial payment and cash to pay after installation.
Do you have other design you offer?
Yes, Mom. There is so many option. But we say, the better the quality, the higher the price.
Can I see your sample?
At your command, Mom. Here it is.
What is your second lowest price? Screen door?
Here it is.
Great. What is the difference?
The difference is only a color.
If I want a high-end screen door, do you have an offer?
Dig yes, Mom. Price start at $5,700 up to $7,500. Depend upon the design you choose. Once again, the better the quality, the better the price.
Thank you for answering my question. I order 50 sets of screen door. In my apartment, we set an appointment tomorrow for the schedule of installation. Plus, I pay it full tomorrow.
Thank you, Mom, for your trust too. JB Villar channel. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos.